In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 200-day moving average in TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or just unfamiliar with adding indicators, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you're equipped with the knowledge you need to enhance your charting experience. Let's get started by heading over to TradingView, where we'll begin by opening up a chart of any asset. You could choose a popular stock like Apple, represented as AAPL, or maybe you're interested in a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, symbolized as BTCUSD. The choice of asset doesn't matter for this tutorial, so feel free to pick one that interests you or that you're planning to analyze. Once your chart is open, draw your attention to the top toolbar and locate the Indicators button. This is where TradingView houses a variety of technical indicators that can be used to analyze price movements. We're particularly interested in the moving average, which you'll find by typing those words into the search bar after clicking Indicators. It's also known as the Simple Moving Average, or SMA. This tool is popularly used for identifying the overall direction of an asset over a specified period. After finding the moving average, add it to your chart with a simple click. You'll notice that a line will instantly appear overlaying your asset price chart. This line represents the moving average, but we're going to customize it to the specifics of a 200-day moving average. Focusing on the moving average line label, which is located at the top of your chart, look for the gear icon. Clicking on this gear opens up the Settings menu, where we'll make adjustments. Navigate to the Inputs tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Length. Change this to 200. This adjustment ensures the moving average considers the last 200 data points, which essentially gives us the 200-day moving average. Set the source to close so that the calculations are based on the closing prices, providing a clear picture of trends over longer periods. If you're working on an intraday chart and want it to reflect the daily time frame, go ahead and optionally change the time frame to 1D. Under the Style tab, you have the option to customize the appearance of your moving average line. You might want to change the color or adjust the thickness, helping it stand out clearly against the price movements. Once you've fine-tuned everything to your liking, click OK. And there you have it. Your 200-day moving average is now displayed on your chart, providing a visual indicator of long-term trends and potentially assisting in making more informed trading decisions. Thanks for following